Hello, this is Howard. I hope you enjoy this video tonight. This past Christmas, I got my wife Claudia a bread making machine. This is the machine, and it's all you do is put the ingredients in to the pan and press the start button, and 2 or 3 hours later you have fresh bread. So tonight I'm going to show you how easy it is to do this. The machine came with some instructions, and I'm going to scan this and send a copy to your teacher so that she can show it to you so you can follow along when you watch the video on the ingredients. The ingredients include water, butter, sugar, salt, bread flour, milk, dry milk, yeast, and vital wheat gluten. So this is the pan that it will be mixed and cooked in, and as you can see there's a paddle. You put the paddle in the pan, and then once all the ingredients are in there, the machine will turn it around and then mix it and let the dough rise, and then it will cook it for you. So let's put the ingredients in. The first thing is 3/4 of a cup of water. In the United States we use measurements of cups, teaspoons, tablespoons. It's not the same metric system that you use in Brazil. So 3/4 of a cup of water goes into the pan. The next ingredient is 1 1/2 tablespoons of butter. And I have some butter here. This is real butter, not margarine. So you cut the butter up, you put it in. That's the butter. The next ingredient is 1 1/2 teaspoons of sugar. This is sugar. This is about 1 1/2 teaspoons. So you put that in. The next ingredient is 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt. This is the salt. Very little. You don't put a whole lot. Next ingredient is 2 cups of bread flour. Again, these are cups. The measuring cup I have also has milliliters. 2 cups looks to be approximately 400 milliliters. Just dump the flour in. The next ingredient is 2 tablespoons of non-fat dry milk. You all are familiar with the liquid milk, but they also make it in a powder form. So this is dry powdered milk. You dump that in. The next item is, let's see, 2 teaspoons of yeast. Yeast is what makes the bread rise. Gets the air in it. And then the final ingredient is 1 teaspoon of vital wheat gluten. This is vital wheat gluten. I have no idea what it is, but the recipe says to put it in, so I put it in. So this is the last ingredient. Now that all the ingredients are in, you need to put it into the machine. And what I'm going to do is move this out of the way and get some space. The machine, as you can see, it's just got a big hole in it, and that's where you put the pan, and this turns it around. There's also some buttons here. All you have to do is tell it what you're making, if it's bread or dough, how long, what size it is, and what kind, how you want the crust. You can either have the crust light, medium, or dark. Oops, I've just broken my wife's Christmas present. Let's see if I can get it back together in time for this video. Good, there we go. No damage done. So you put this back in, and then you want to press, let's see, we're making rapid white. I don't want mix-ins. I want a 1-pound loaf, and I want light crust. Then you press the start button, the machine starts, and you just wait for bread.